never faced anything like this. Let them come.
There is a cinematic quality to the music. It's a pretty epic score.
This movie being set in 1994 allowed us to establish a different sound. I wanted to infuse a little bit of groove that reflected the environments and the cultures of the characters. Steven wanted to do something very special. So he asked Toby Nwigwe, who plays Reek in our film, for Toby to actually do a song.
It all came together in a masterful collaboration.
Seeing him live in performance, I was like, how can we capture that energy in a Transformers film?
Guard your grill. Ain't nobody out here hard to kill. Again, I pack a plant and peel your cap from front to back. How you still for hard to steal?
It was really a phenomenal opportunity. I just couldn't believe it.
It was a great pleasure to have both not only Steven, but also Toby in the studio here with us to really hear what we did.
I can't wait for people to check it out.
Get it, baby!
Transformers: Rise of the Beasts.